Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are at band rehearsal. We're just learning a first dance song, so check this out.
We've been through love, been through sunshine, been through snow, all because of the weather. We've been through high, every corner of the sky. Still we're holding on together. You got all my love, whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. You got all my love, whether it rains. Got all my love. Until I die, let me hold you if you cry. Be my 1, 2, 3 forever. You got all my love, whether it rains or now and always, to the end of my days, you've got all my love. Got all my love.
And that's how it's done.